Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we'll explore how to create a business ad layout using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A business advertisement appears slightly off. Something feels wrong even before spotting it. Pixel aspect ratio explains that feeling. The ratio is corrected based on output format. Suddenly, motion feels smooth, circles look round again, product edges regain confidence. A quiet pause helps sense the improvement. Business visuals rely on precision. Text spacing is reviewed. Nothing stretches, nothing compresses. Alignment improves naturally.